The Rolls-Royce Phantom, a name that resonates with opulence and grandeur. It is a name synonymous with luxury, a symbol of unparalleled craftsmanship and elegance. Did you know that a brand new Phantom can cost well over $500,000? Yes, you heard that right, that's right. You could buy a house for the price of one of these cars, but the Phantom offers something a house cannot. But then again, the Phantom is more than just a car. It's a statement, a declaration of success and taste. The world of luxury cars is a fascinating one, filled with innovation and prestige. These cars are not just about getting from A to B, they are about the journey, the experience. They are about the experience, the feeling of opulence, the sense of occasion. Every ride is a celebration, and no car embodies this better than the Phantom. It stands as a pinnacle of luxury. But what makes the Phantom so special? What are the elements that make it unique? What sets it apart from other luxury cars? Why does it command such reverence? To answer these questions, we need to delve deeper into the world of Rolls-Royce, a world where tradition meets innovation. Luxury, in its purest form, is subjective. It varies from person to person, influenced by individual tastes and preferences. What one person considers luxurious, another may find excessive or even unnecessary. But when it comes to cars, there are certain elements that are universally accepted as luxurious, transcending personal preferences. These elements include comfort, performance, craftsmanship, and exclusivity, all of which define the essence of a luxury vehicle. The Phantom excels in all these areas, setting a benchmark for automotive luxury. Its ride is famously smooth and silent, providing an unparalleled driving experience. Its engine is powerful yet refined, delivering both performance and elegance. And the interior is a masterpiece of handcrafted leather and wood, showcasing meticulous attention to detail. But perhaps the most luxurious aspect of the Phantom is its exclusivity, making each car truly special. Each Phantom is built to order, and customers can choose from a virtually limitless range of customization options, ensuring their car is one of a kind. This means that no two Phantoms are exactly alike, each reflecting the owner's personal taste and style. And that is the essence of true luxury, having something that is uniquely yours, a testament to individuality and exclusivity. The Phantom is not just about luxury, though, it is also about cutting-edge technology. Underneath its stately exterior lies a truly cutting-edge machine. The Phantom features a powerful V12 engine, advanced suspension systems, and a whole suite of driver assistance features. But the real magic of the Phantom lies in how it seamlessly blends this technology with its luxurious character and elegance. You are never overwhelmed by the technology. Instead, it works discreetly in the background, enhancing your driving experience without intruding on it. For instance, the Phantom features a satellite-aided transmission system that uses GPS data to anticipate upcoming corners and downshifts accordingly. This results in an incredibly smooth and effortless driving experience, making every journey a pleasure. However, the most impressive feature of the Phantom has to be the Starlight headliner, a true marvel of modern automotive design. This bespoke option allows you to have thousands of tiny LED lights fitted into the car's roof lining, creating a dazzling replica of the night sky. Imagine driving under a canopy of stars, no matter where you are. It is a touch of magic that perfectly encapsulates the Phantom's unique blend of luxury and technology. This feature alone sets it apart from any other vehicle on the road. So is the Rolls-Royce Phantom the ultimate luxury car? Its elegance and sophistication are unmatched. That is a question only you can answer. Each detail is meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled experience. But one thing is for sure, the Phantom is an exceptional automobile that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and craftsmanship. What do you think? Does it redefine luxury for you? What defines a true luxury car for you? Is it the attention to detail, the bespoke features, or the sheer presence of the vehicle? Share your thoughts and explore the fascinating world of luxury automobiles further. The journey of discovering what makes a car truly luxurious is as exciting as the drive itself.